Today is Tuesday, March 16th. This is the 1968 to 1976 Cadillac DeVILLE left-hand driver's side exhaust manifold. This is casting number 1486383. This is going to be going to my friend Alex Rabayev at A&A Export. And this unit has been fully restored and is in absolutely pristine condition. It has been Magnaflux tested, cleaned, climatized with a surface treatment, and is ready for mounting. Has two beautiful replaced studs, and I'll go ahead and turn it over and we'll look at the mounting portals. And the mounting portals are absolutely perfect, pristine, and beautiful. Surface ground to 5/10,000ths of an inch parallelism. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, so this is a show quality, fully restored, surface treated left-hand driver's side exhaust manifold, and this will be going out to my friend Alex as soon as I get his okay to ship reply confirmation. Today is Tuesday, March 16th. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1970 Cadillacs, over 375,000 1959 to 1978 Cadillac items overall. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, steering columns, power seat mechanisms, instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source components. I have in my inventory over 150 of the original exhaust manifolds, the majority of which have been fully reconditioned and are in pristine mint condition, as is in this example. Okay, this is George in Florida. Today is Tuesday, March 16th. Thank you very kindly.